Oyster restoration has to rely on community, otherwise it's not going to work. What we need to do is to recover these shells from restaurants and then be able to work with different communities to put them back into the water so that they can create new reefs. Morris Creek is an example of an ecosystem I see as playing a very big role in farming very specific plans for restoration. It's a place which was dead for some time, but the oysters have recovered because new shell was added on the bottom. So I think we can learn from here and translate that into other locations in Connecticut. I feel incredibly optimistic. We have people who have the common goal, and they represent regulators as well as restaurants, shellfish, throwing community, as well as just regular people. Anytime you go to a restaurant and get an oyster on a half shell, think about that being able to formulate a new habitat for a new oyster. We can see and imagine what these places in Connecticut looked like in the past, but also imagine what they can look like in the future.